Private. 216. With another EMD. Now this one's going eastbound 1. Damn, it was like not even a minute. And eastbound on 1.
Let's not forget we also got the cap coming up too.
Come on, OCS, who are you?
Gotta give him time, man. He's on the rail somewhere in the U.S.
Well, I know he's all about what? An hour? 2?
Maybe another hour, hour and a half.
What I'm saying, about an hour and a half is.
Don't know what all he's running into up north, so.
It is like, I'm getting anxious. My patience might level low. Is. Kitty. Oh, we did start 217 over here, but I didn't record it. So.
Oh, we did see 217.
Yeah, I didn't record it. Simply the 2 empty cold drugs. Q216-01.